Hi there. In this video on PMN Online, we are going to cover how to remove suggested files in Google Drive. Have you ever noticed those suggested files that pop up in Google Drive, reflecting your recent activities and interactions? While these recommendations can be handy, they might also pose a privacy risk, especially if you're using shared or public devices. By learning how to remove these suggested files, you can keep your sensitive information safe and prevent others from inadvertently viewing files you'd prefer to keep private. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to clear them out. To get started, the very first thing you need to do is log in to your Google Drive account with your credentials. If you're new to Google Drive, don't worry. Just click on the Sign Up option and follow the simple on-screen instructions to set up your account. Once you're all set, you're ready to proceed. Google Drive's Suggested Files feature is designed to enhance your experience by offering file recommendations based on your recent activities. However, if you want to remove or hide these suggestions, there are a few strategies you can employ. We'll walk you through these methods step by step. 1. Accessing settings. First, navigate to the top right corner of your Google Drive interface. You'll see your profile icon, which looks like a small gear symbol. Click on this icon to access the settings menu. 2. Adjusting offline settings. In the settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Offline. This feature allows you to create, open, and edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides even when you're not connected to the internet. It's useful, but for our purpose, you might want to consider how offline access plays into file suggestions. 3. Managing notifications. Next, click on the Notifications section. Here, ensure that notifications are turned off, as having them enabled means you'll receive updates about Google Drive items via email, including those pesky suggested files. By turning off notifications, you can minimize disturbances and keep your email tidy. 4. Saving changes. Once you've made these adjustments, be sure to click on Save to apply the changes. This action will help you manage the flow of information and keep your privacy intact. For additional help, Google Drive offers a support center where you can find solutions to any issues that might arise during this process. Simply type your concern into the search bar and press Enter. If the suggested topics don't resolve your problem, consider posting your question in the help community. Here, active members can provide insights and troubleshooting tips specifically about removing suggested files. If all else fails and you're still facing difficulties, don't hesitate to use the Contact Us option to communicate your issue directly to Google Support. This ensures you get professional assistance tailored to your problem. In conclusion, by managing your suggested files and recent file sharing settings, you can indirectly control the recommendations you see in Google Drive. This is a simple yet effective way to maintain your privacy and keep your files secure. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to remove suggested files in Google Drive. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips like this.